Alright, so this LeetCode question is called single number. It says, given a non-empty array of integers, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. Then it says, note, your algorithm should have a linear runtime complexity. Could you implement it without using extra memory? Our solution actually does use extra memory. Alright, so example 1, the input is 221 and the output is the number 1 because that's the only number that doesn't appear twice. And for example 2, the input is 41212 and the output is 4 because again, that's the only number that does not appear twice. Alright, the key to solving this problem is to use a set. So what you're going to do is you're going to iterate over every element in the array and you're going to check if that element is in the set. If it is in the set, you're going to remove it from the set. But if it's not in the set, you add it to the set. So at the very end, there should only be one element in the set. So let's demonstrate that. Let's say this is the set, and we're here. Is the number 2 in the set? No. So you add it. Next element. Is the number 2 in the set? Yes. So you remove it from the set. Finally, is the number 1 in the set? No. So you add it. So then all you have to do is return whichever element is in the set. Alright, so let's get to the code. LeetCode has given us a function called single number, which accepts an array called nums. So the first thing we have to do is create a new set. So let set equal new set. So over here, that would look like this. This just represents a set. Okay, the next thing we have to do is iterate over every element in the array. So for let num of nums, num represents the number we're currently on, which right now would be this. All right, so now we have to check whether the num we're on is in the set. So if set.has num, at this point we would delete it from the set, but that's not what's going on at this point in our array. So at this point in our array, the number 2 is not in the set, so we'll enter the else statement. So else, we're going to add it to the set, set.add num. That'll look like this. Right now the number 2 is in the set. Okay, now it starts the next loop. So now we are here. All right, it says if the set has the number 2, which it now does. So now what we have to do is we have to delete that number from the set. So set.delete num. And that'll look like this. Okay, now the next loop starts. And we're at the number 1. Does the set have the number 1? No, so we go into the else statement and we add the number 1. So at this point we've iterated over every element in our array, so all there's left to do is to return the only element that should be in the set. So we'll say return array from set. So this will change our set into an array, and then we'll just have to return the first element in that array. All right, let's see how we did. Looks good. All right, so it says our solution is faster than about 27% of JavaScript submissions. This is because we used our solution and not a solution that uses like an XOR. So as usual, the code and written explanation are linked down below. See you next time.